Why you should put garlic under your pillow before sleep. Real-life insights and experiences. Garlic, a simple kitchen staple, has been capturing attention for an unusual nighttime ritual, placing it under the pillow before sleep. But why would anyone do this, and what are the supposed benefits? In this video, we'll dive deep into the potential reasons for putting garlic under your pillow, drawing on facts, folklore, and real-life experiences that reveal what people claim happens when they do this. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. The tradition and science behind garlic under the pillow. Garlic has been revered for centuries, not only for its culinary uses, but also for its purported medicinal properties. The tradition of placing garlic under a pillow can be traced back to various cultures, which believed in its power to ward off evil spirits, enhance sleep, and even boost health. But does it really work, or is this just another old wives' tale? Let's take a closer look. Number 1. The power of Allicin, nature's secret sleep aid. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that is responsible for its distinct aroma and many of its health benefits. When crushed, allicin is released and becomes highly active. It is believed that when placed under a pillow, the smell of garlic promotes relaxation and helps ease breathing, especially for those who have nasal congestion. Allicin's antibacterial properties also contribute to a cleaner environment, which could indirectly lead to better quality sleep. Though there are no significant scientific studies specifically about garlic under a pillow, the impact of aromatherapy on sleep quality has been well documented. Aromatic compounds like those in garlic can trigger positive responses in the brain, calming anxiety and easing stress. Many proponents of this practice claim that the comforting, familiar scent helps them fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Number 2. A natural stress reliever. Real-life accounts. Several people who have tried placing garlic under their pillows report a reduction in anxiety and an improvement in their overall mood. One Reddit user, for example, shared how, after hearing about this practice from their grandmother, they decided to try it during a particularly stressful period at work. Within a week, they noticed they were falling asleep more quickly and waking up feeling more rested. They described the garlic scent as oddly comforting, like the aromatic equivalent of a warm hug. Another case study involves a mother who struggled to get her young child to sleep through the night. A family friend suggested placing a clove of garlic under the child's pillow. The mother reported that after adding the garlic, her child seemed to sleep more peacefully, waking up less frequently during the night. Though anecdotal, these stories add credibility to the belief that garlic's scent may have a calming effect. Number 3. Protection against nightmares. For those who believe in traditional folklore, garlic is thought to have protective powers against negative energies, bad dreams, and even evil spirits. Although this might sound far-fetched to some, many people swear by this age-old practice, claiming that it provides them with peace of mind and a sense of safety at night. This belief, in turn, can help induce a state of calm, allowing for a more restful sleep. Interestingly, a few individuals have shared their experiences online about the unexpected side effects of putting garlic under their pillows. One user mentioned that they initially had more vivid dreams, but eventually the dreams became more pleasant and positive, adding a mystical element to the experience. Number 4. Improved respiratory health. Garlic is known for its ability to help clear the respiratory system, and placing it under your pillow may have similar benefits. The strong aroma can help open up nasal passages, making it easier to breathe during the night. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who suffer from allergies or mild congestion. Many have reported waking up feeling less congested and more refreshed after trying this remedy. Number 5. Boosting immunity. Garlic is famous for its immune-boosting properties thanks to its antimicrobial and antiviral compounds. While placing garlic under your pillow isn't the same as consuming it, the released allicin can still contribute to a cleaner environment by reducing airborne bacteria. This may help reduce the risk of getting sick, especially during cold and flu season. Some individuals have reported fewer incidences of colds and other minor illnesses when incorporating garlic into their nightly routine. Number 6. Enhanced sleep quality through muscle relaxation. Garlic contains magnesium and potassium, both of which play a role in muscle relaxation and nerve function. Although the levels absorbed through aromatherapy are minimal compared to ingestion, some people claim that the scent of garlic contributes to an overall sense of relaxation, reducing muscle tension and helping the body prepare for sleep. This effect can promote deeper, more restorative sleep. What to expect if you put garlic under your pillow before sleep? Let's talk about the advantages first. Relaxation. Many people report falling asleep faster due to the scent's calming effects. Enhanced breathing. The potent aroma can help keep nasal passages clear, which is beneficial for those with mild congestion. Cultural connection. Following traditions and rituals, such as using garlic this way, can make bedtime more meaningful and enjoyable. Boosted immunity. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can help create a cleaner sleep environment. Reduced nightmares. Many individuals report fewer bad dreams and an increased sense of safety. You can face some disadvantages too. Strong odor. The smell of garlic isn't for everyone, and some might find it overwhelming or even unpleasant. Allergic reactions. Though rare, some individuals might be sensitive to garlic's strong compounds. Potential mess. If not handled properly, garlic cloves can become messy or leave a lingering smell on the pillow and bedding. Potential tips for trying it yourself. If you're interested in giving this unusual practice a try, here are some practical tips. Use fresh garlic. For the best results, use a fresh garlic clove. Crushing it slightly will help release more allicin, enhancing its effects. Wrap it up. Place the garlic in a small, breathable bag or wrap it in tissue paper to avoid getting garlic oils on your pillow. Give it time. Like any sleep ritual, this may take some time to yield results. Try it for at least a week to see if you notice any changes. Final thoughts. Does it really work? While there's no concrete scientific evidence to support placing garlic under your pillow as a surefire way to improve sleep, countless people have reported positive experiences. Whether it's the calming scent, the comforting thought of following an age-old tradition, or simply a placebo effect, the practice does seem to help some individuals sleep better. The best way to know if it works for you is to try it yourself. What have been your experiences with placing garlic under your pillow? If you've tried this or are curious about other unusual sleep hacks, feel free to share your thoughts below. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.